Oh no! We're on the side of the road.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
This is usually fairly frightening.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
I just tried to fire up my MX-3 for the first cold start and it did not start. So I'm firing up my computer and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it start. I'm going to cranking pulse and I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to get the key on the car. See where it's at. Yeah, my coolant sensor's not working. I'm gonna turn this up, so hopefully it'll start. There, she's... Alright, so what I did there, because my temp sensor isn't working, I thought it was, but when it was cold, it was saying it was 180, which is wrong. That's not even close. So to quick start it, I went to my cranking pulse. So that's the amount of fuel that's going through the injectors as you're cranking the engine over. I just bumped it up to here, and this is at 180. Green is where it's at. So I bumped that up so I could start it, but normally it would be around here, so it would have started on its own because I already had this high. But this is a quick fix. Okay, I'm just filling all my Jerry's with E85 and I'm gonna fill it back up. Tomorrow it's got its first journey to Burlington. It's gonna be sick. I already trust it. It just did back-to-back pulls on the highway, like, so sick. Oh yeah! Look at this beast! Damn, I love that car. Me and my girlfriend Jacqueline are off to a lunch with the family, my sister, my brother-in-law, mom and dad, and my uncle Ken, and Elizabeth, my grandma. So we're just ripping, we're just cruising 100, taking our time. I got the computer out, we're tuning, we're data logging. How do you like it?
It's fun.
Yeah? We'll do a quick little pull. Fourth gear. It gets up and goes like crazy. Like, that was 150 from 100.
Yeah. For anyone wondering, he's a really good driver.
Oh yeah, even rain pulls, it's all good. Oh no, we're on the side of the road. Was driving like a little bit of a loser and I blew my coolant line. So I'm gonna fix it with the toonie, just tighten it with the toonie and find some water down the road at some point. We need water. No, no, no. Jesus. All right, so I popped this line here. I got it as tight as I could with a dime. My dad had a good idea when he called me because he was in front of me. But yeah, I guess I need to make a better joint piece in here. Okay, we're gonna try and get onto the highway because right now I'm on an on-ramp, sketchy AF. So I'm gonna have to pull off as soon as I can and get water before we overheat. Oh shit. We just need to get up this hill and then there's a gas station, but we are hot, so I don't want to screw anything up. We went for another little rip, got hot. So we're almost at the top of the hill. This doesn't look like a hill, but it's a big one. So there's gas stations right at the top of this hill. So we just gotta take our time and not overheat the shit out of the engine. What did you say it smelled like?
Maple syrup.
You're like, oh, it's okay. It smells like maple syrup, honey. I'm like, I don't know. Bye. We're gonna get water.
So we overheated, we found a gas station, and now we're adding water to the engine.
Oh, perfect. That
too
was
much.
only like 2 liters then.
Testing how well the water works.
Trying to get the air out.
Great, eh guys?
Something great. That's my way.
This is usually fairly
Single
frightening.
day, I'm gonna make